Hey guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm back with another headband wig from Wig Encounters. If you guys check the info section below, I'll have all the information and details located there. Also, before we get started, be sure to use coupon code TWINS if you want to save an additional 15% off of your purchases. That will be located below as well. So once again, this is my second headband wig from Wig Encounters. I love them so much, and this is what the cap construction looks like. It does have that adjustable Velcro strap in the front that's usually hidden behind the headband that you put on top. The wig that I have is their HW003 headband wig. Mine is in the water wave texture. Mine is also 20 inches long, 150% density, and then I have the average size cap. This is what it looks like. As usual, I like to go in and shampoo and condition my wigs using my silicone mix, and I'll have everything that I use throughout this video in the info section below. But I'm just washing the hair out to help redefine the curls because it was a little frizzy when I received it, and also, you know, just to kind of clean the hair because you gotta be safe, right? Gotta be safe. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish shampooing and conditioning the hair, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since the last clip of me washing the hair, and I did wear this hair probably every single day since the last clip, and I did wash the hair about 3 times since then, and you guys can see how well the hair bounced back. It doesn't look worn out at all. It looks brand new, like I just pulled it out the pack. The hair is nice and clumped together, it's shiny. You have to love human hair, you just have to. But I went ahead and I got the wig on. It literally took me not even 10 seconds. I think the most you have to worry about when it comes to headband wigs is how you're going to lay your edges in your commute to wherever you got to go. That's it. But right now I'm just laying my baby hairs and I'm just doing some soft subtle swoops. I know a lot of you guys can't stand that, but I have a big forehead, so let me live. But yeah, this is what my baby hairs look like. Now I'm just going to briefly finger comb the hair just to kind of break apart some of those curls and add some volume. I'm going to also give you guys a few styling options as well as let you guys see how I choose to wear my headbands. Now these headbands were chosen randomly and sent to me along with my wig. You can also opt to use your own headbands. I will leave a link to some really nice headbands that I purchased myself from off of Amazon below just in case you guys want to, you know, switch up your style. But this is the first style that I'm doing. I'm gonna also comb the roots out just a bit to add a little more volume because I like my hair to look a little fuller, and this is the first look. So now I'm just going to go in and switch out the headbands to this cute little leopard one. And for the style with this headband, I'm just playing around with the hair. There's no particular style that I'm doing. I'm going to probably do like a high bun and a ponytail and then put it back down. I'm just playing around with the hair and seeing what I'm coming up with. But yeah, so this is the next look. So I'm going to go ahead and change out my headbands, and this is the third one that I received, and it kind of has like little happy faces on it, but once again, you guys may not receive the same headbands as I have, but I'm not styling up the hair. I'm just playing around with it to kind of give you guys different options and different views on it. Now, this particular style I do wear when I go to the gym, and this isn't a gym hairstyle. It's just that I don't like to wear my cornrows out and about, so I'll just throw on a headband wig, and it's super easy. It's out of my face, so therefore I won't really sweat on it. It's out my way, and yeah, it looks super gorgeous, really cute. So once again, you guys do check out Wig Encounters. I will have all the information and details located below. Once again, if you guys want to save an additional 15% off of your purchases, use coupon code TWINS to do that. Let me know which one was your favorite style that I did, or if you guys have a go-to style, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.